Creating these product assembly animations that are blowing up on TikTok and Instagram look like something made by a Hollywood filmmaker, right? You might think you need years of experience with 3D tools like Maya, 3ds Max, and Cinema 4D, or complex VFX knowledge with Nuke and Fusion. Not even close. You don't need an expensive setup, advanced skills, or even a single dollar. In this YouTube tutorial, you'll learn how to use completely free tools like ChatGPT, Nano Banana, and Google Flow to create product assembly animations and promotional teasers, and even turn this into a way to make money with AI.
Hi everyone, my name is Iman. This is the Iman Global YouTube channel. Welcome back to a new tutorial. Let's get it started.
First, I've prepared a powerful structure that we can call the Visual Generation Framework. After a huge amount of testing and trial and error, I managed to eliminate its bugs and refine it. I've placed this framework in the video description, so the first thing you need to do is copy it directly from the description of this video. Make sure you copy every single line inside the framework carefully. Nothing should be missed. It doesn't matter whether you prefer ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, or any other AI platform you're comfortable with. I'm going to use ChatGPT. Paste this framework, which is essentially a professional prompt engineering system and a large network for generating different prompts, into the prompt box and send it. ChatGPT will give you a list of 15 different products, and you can pick whichever one you like. Most of the options are digital products, but if you need more categories, there's absolutely no limitation. We can expand this framework even further. Just tell me what you need in the comments. For this demonstration, I'm selecting a mirrorless camera and letting ChatGPT know my choice. After selecting the product, I click Send. At this stage, ChatGPT generates 3 prompts for us. One prompt is for the main product image, another is for the exploded view version where all the product components are separated, and the third prompt is for the animation itself. Next, we're moving over to Google's powerful AI platform, Google Flow. I search for it in Google, and it usually appears within the first few search results. After a short account creation process and answering a few initial questions, I get inside Google Flow. Google Flow offers AI image and video generation using models like Nano Banana, VO, and Omni, which are incredibly popular right now. At the moment, Google Flow is available for free. That free access probably won't last forever, and its plans may change in the future. We're inside the Flow workspace now, and everything is ready to go. I head back to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt, the one for the main product image. Inside Flow, I disable the agent option. Then I paste the prompt into the prompt box. For the first step, I set Flow to image generation mode. The aspect ratio needs to be configured properly. If you're creating content for social platforms like Instagram or TikTok, make sure you select 9:16. If you're aiming for a cinematic look and creating content for horizontal platforms like YouTube, 16:9 is the right choice, which is what I'm using. Set the number of outputs you want. For the image model, I choose Nano Banana 2, although Nano Banana Pro is also available as an option. I click Generate, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, our image is ready. Take a look at these results. If you're not happy with them, you can always generate another batch. The image quality honestly looks incredible. It genuinely feels like something that shouldn't be available for free. I'm going to download one of these images. To create the second image, I jump back to ChatGPT and copy the exploded view image prompt. Returning to Flow, I drag and drop the first image that I selected into the prompt area and use it as a reference image. Then I paste the new prompt. Keeping the same settings as before, I hit Generate. Give it a moment, and there it is. Our second image is ready. Let's check these results out. It generated a high-quality exploded view with all the camera components separated beautifully. I'm choosing one of these images. I can easily download this image as a JPEG file, just like the previous one. And this right here is exactly why I spent so much time refining the framework. These images aren't random, they share the same visual DNA. That's exactly what this framework was built for, to push the AI toward results like these. At this point, both the starting point and ending point of our animation are ready. Time to transform these images into a video using AI image-to-video technology. For the animation stage, I go back to ChatGPT and copy the animation prompt. Then I return to Flow. I add the first image as the starting frame in Flow. Once it's loaded, I add the second image as well. The video prompt goes into the prompt box. I switch to Create Video mode. The aspect ratio is already set to 16:9. I reduce the number of outputs to 1. For the video model, I select Omni Flash, which is Google's newest video generation model. I also set the video duration to 10 seconds. After that, I hit Generate. You might run into an error message occasionally. If that happens, I simply click Retry, and most of the time the issue gets resolved. The process usually takes less than a minute. And there we go. The video is finished. Check this out. It's exactly the kind of video we wanted to create. It's honestly crazy that all of this was done using free AI tools. The camera starts in a promotional handheld shot, based on the first image we created. Then its components separate and move into the exact exploded configuration from the second image. Using this exact method, you can create all kinds of product assembly animations and product showcase videos without learning heavy software like 3ds Max, Blender, or Nuke. I'm downloading the video in the highest quality available. And that's the complete process for creating object assembly videos using free AI tools. By the way, I'm going to keep improving the visual generation framework, so stay tuned for future AI tutorials built around it. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you can discover the next viral AI technique before everyone else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.